Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm Marsha, this is Marsha's Mind. What's on my mind today? An early birthday present for my daughter. Stay tuned! This is my present. It came today from Amazon and it's for my daughter. So my birthday is not till the 19th, but here we go. She's already told me what it was because she thought maybe I didn't want it. Because my original, well, I'll show you what it is first. Okay, ready? Okay, hold on, I'm not looking at it. She said it's a blow dryer. She's like, Mom, your blow dryer is working. I thought it wasn't. Maybe I should tell you what I got for your birthday. I got you a blow dryer. I said, oh great, that's awesome. And my other blow dryer, when you go grab it out of the plug, the cover comes off of the, you know, where the plug is. So it's the little bits and pieces and chips are exposed, which is kind of dangerous, I would think. So she got me this. Isn't that thoughtful? Let's see what it is. Zoom in. No. Okay, my Styler professional hair dryer, easy operation. Okay. I like how this comes out. So cute.
Well, you like it?
Ooh, ooh, it's blue. Isn't that pretty? What? This is a blow dryer? No. Ooh, look how it's packaged. Look at that blue. That is gorgeous.
Thought you'd like it.
The blue. It has these little doodads on there, of course.
Diffusers.
Diffusers. Oh, there's two different kinds. That's cool. Wow, felt, and that's pretty. Let me see if I can get it out.
The review said it takes like over half the time less to blow dry than their old blow dryers.
Oh yeah?
Like it gets it done quicker and doesn't leave their hair fried.
Oh,
that's just what the review said.
Look how little too.
Is it all dirty?
No, it's from the felt.
Oh.
It'll come off though. Yeah, so this cover came off of mine. It just went like, okay, well I've had it for a while, but I can't wait to try it. Yay! I'll let you guys know how it sounds later. I gotta get this felt off. Thank you, Maddie, for my birthday present. You're so sweet. Thank you. Okay, guys, thumbs up and comment if you've had this before. She said the reviews are really good. Well, you heard her voice. So, thanks, guys. Bye.